Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we've got a battle between two finance tools that solve very different problems: Taxfyle and RefreshMe accounting. One takes the stress out of filing taxes and the other uses AI to manage your books in real time. Let's dive in. When look at your main focus, like we said earlier, Taxfyle is for on-demand tax filing with licensed professionals, while RefreshMe accounting is an AI-powered bookkeeping and financial insights. Now, when we look at the AI capabilities, Taxfile has AI-assisted matching with tax experts, while RefreshMe help you to automate categorization, reconciliation, and forecasting. When we look at who or what they are best for, Taxfile is best for individuals and businesses needing tax preparation, while RefreshMe accounting is best for small and mid-sized businesses needing smart bookkeeping. When we look at ease of use, Taxfile helps to upload documents and is simple to match with a professional, while RefreshMe has real-time AI dashboard and slightly advanced features. When we look at the pricing, has a pay-per-use per tax filing, while RefreshMe has a premium subscription for automation. So here's the breakdown. Taxfile is your tax season lifesaver. Upload your documents, get matched with a licensed pro, and let them handle the heavy lifting. While RefreshMe, on the other hand, is like a digital accountant that works year-round, automating your bookkeeping and keep giving you real-time insights. So here's the takeaway. Taxfile equals to expert-driven tax filing when you need it, while RefreshMe always on bookkeeping automation. So if tax stresses you out, just go with Taxfile, and if managing your books every month is a pain point, RefreshMe is the winner, and you can even decide to use both. So let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart finance comparisons only here on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.